Hello guys, welcome back to Blue Moon channel. And today we're making a rain in a jar. So it's quite cool. What is we requires hot water, so make sure we are careful of that. So the materials is the description below. So please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And for new videos, bye. So let's continue. For this video, make sure to subscribe. So we're gonna continue the next video later. So now let's go to the next video. So what we have is a glass jar and a hot water and ice and a lid. So we're gonna start it now. So first I will pour hot water 2 out of 8 of the bottle. Enough. And then put the lid on. And then wait a little bit. And then we put ice on it. Ice on it. And wait a little bit for clouds to form. So we're gonna have this thing just what? So how it's formed? So our example like a sea. We have the sea here. Wait a little bit. And we have the sun. We have the sun here. So the sun is condensing the water upwards. And it's forming the clouds. Let me have the glass here. So it's forming the clouds here. And in the cloud is have tiny water droplets. And when it's passed, the water can then go up more. It's have more until it's have too much, and so now and that water is falling down as a water downwards into the sea, and then it's come back the same. Is looping this whole concept. So this is the concept. So this is the end of the video. So this is the concept that we have in the end of the video now. So we are already on the end of the video. So make sure you subscribe for new videos, likes, and also thumbs up for new videos. If we have no other videos that I have, if we have no more views than 910, we cannot continue the next video. So make sure to subscribe. And to subscribe, we also need more than 20 subscribers, so we can continue the next thing a little bit more complicated. So let's go. This is another video. Bye.